Alright everybody, this is Chevy again from Gamebangers, and I'm bringing you part 2, bringing you another box break. We're going to do another box of Bowman Sterling 2011. You know, the last time we did one about a week ago, and was not satisfied. The best card I think I got was an Andy Dalton gold rookie auto. It was pretty clean, but let's see what we got with this box, guys. I really want that Cam Newton auto jersey or some other really awesome card that has really good odds, that pays well, or a good rookie backing that will step up this year or next year again. So that's it. You got your 6 packs and your one dual relic card. Save that one for last. Let's go ahead and open up first box here. Whoa. So if you guys are wondering about my hands, how they looked all marked up, it's because last week I did a timing belt job for another neighbor down the street on a Honda and got bit up by the sprocket a couple times. So anyway, our first pack of cards that we got. Hopefully it's something good. Gamebangers. Sorry about the camera and the glare. I tried to fix it, but it wouldn't work out too well. Ryan Taylor. That right there. And nice. Kyle Rudolph. Jersey auto, guys. It's pretty cool. A lot of Kyle Rudolph fans, huh? Oh, Vincent Brown jersey. I already got a Vincent Brown auto jersey, but this is a regular one. So this is definitely, get rid of that. Number 34 out of 99, Shane Byrne. Blue refractor, it's nice. Oops. There we go. Sorry about the glare, you know, I'm doing my best. So we got playoffs coming up, guys. They just said, I'm a Charger fan, but they just agreed on keeping Norv Turner and AJ Smith for another year. Not too happy. I was okay with possibly keeping Turner again, but I thought our biggest problem was our draft picks the last 4 or 5 years, with the exception of Ryan Matthews, Vincent Brown. Okay, here's John Baldwin, receiver, number to 299. That wasn't too good. We got Edmund Gates, rookie jersey. These cards are... Daniel Thomas auto. Ooh. Got some gold, but not an auto gold, but it's Jabal Sher, number 17 out of 25. Man, this glare is really bad, huh? Jeez. Robert Quinn, DE. Alright. Oh, hopefully we got this Cam Newton right here. Cam Newton's going to be Hall of Famer. Straight, sick quarterback that's, you know, unheard of. The kinds of things that he can do. Definitely want to get that card. Still don't have one yet. Bilal Powell, jersey. And Leonard Hankerson, that wide receiver again. I hate doubles. And we got a auto. It's cool. Auto Mike Pouncey. Jacquizz Rodgers. And Dion Lewis. Alright, well, what do we got left here? Halfway done. Oh, that landed flat. No corners. Oh, we got a Pulsar card right in the beginning. I see it. Blaine Gabbert. Alright. That's cool. I'll take that. Pulsar. That's really hard to see. It's a really good piece of the jersey, too. It's got his number or something on that. That looks cool. That's a really big, thick card, man. It's huge. Awesome. We got Dion Lewis. I think I already got this, dude. Jersey. Justin Houston. Tannen Doss. Got him. I already got this, dude. There's a refractor, though. Oh, shit. And Dwayne Harris, wide receiver auto, Cowboys. This glare sucks. Sorry, I really do apologize about the glare. I'll try to angle it better this time. You know, I was kind of happy with that Blaine Gabbert, though. Hopefully he gets better. Ooh, sweet. Man, another one. This is my third Vincent Brown jersey. Jeez. This one's numbered 44 out of 50. Man, Vincent Brown. I'm done with that already. Delone Carter jersey. And Stevan Ridley auto. Tyron Smith. And Mohammed Wilkerson. One more. Still don't have a Cam Newton. Darn it. Well, it could always be in this last pack right here. Come on. Cam Newton jersey auto. Ooh, this is a thick pack. That's thicker than the normal ones. Let's see what we got. Careful, careful. There's something in here. Chris Cooley. Fracted jersey up to $2.99. I don't think I got my Cam. Stevan Ridley jersey. And Kendall Hunter jersey auto. It's a nice refractor though. Well, that sucks, man. I did not get my Cam. Dwayne Harris. Yeah. I'm mad. Cecil Short's the fucking third, whatever. Alright, well, oh yeah, we got one more pack. That's right. Our relic card. Are you going to be the Cam Newton auto jersey and your other boy? Please, because I'm not buying any more. Gotta wait till next year, and that's the only one rookie that's gonna be hot. So don't bunk me, but you did. Kyle Rudolph, Christian Ponder. All right, bunk. I'm not happy. But that's it for this year. I'll make another box break next year on some Bowman Sterlings again. I don't know. Unless there's something better. But anyway, guys, until then, Chevy from Gamebangers. Keep tuning in. We do mainly videos and commentaries on video games. But like I said, NFL season, we got fever. I know you guys do too. I hope this was helpful and enjoying, and, you know, think before you buy. Peace.